You can see in detail your own red blood cells, or even bacteria, in seconds. Dipple is made of a few simple elements. Dipple consists of metal plates containing mini lenses, a light source, and various accessories. Together with the camera of your smartphone, Dipple provides an excellent level of magnification and definition of images directly on the screen of your phone. Moreover, Dipple is the convenient alternative to expensive microscopes. You can choose among many versions of Dipple for any budget. For the first time, the packaging is a functional part of the product, thus avoiding waste of material and saving space and ensuring maximum portability.
It's amazing how we take our vision for granted, yet our eyes are one of our most precious senses. Having healthy eyes not only affects how well we see, but also how we feel, at work and at play. But most of us don't see our optometrist nearly as often as we should, or as regularly as we see our dentist. Now there's a simple, intelligent way to test your vision and track the results from the convenience of your own home. Introducing the EyeQue Personal Vision Tracker, a low-cost optical device and mobile application that accurately measures your vision and delivers vision correction records that can be used to order new eyewear. To get started, press the Test button at the bottom of the screen and attach the EyeQue Miniscope to your smartphone. Place the EyeQue Miniscope over your eye so that you can see the red and green lines. Then tap the on-screen plus or minus buttons until the lines completely overlap. Once you've completed tests on both eyes, EyeQue's powerful patented technology will process the readings and generate your eyeglass numbers.
Introducing Phiz, the first smart device that transforms your phone and laptop into an ultra-precision 3D scanner. Phiz has the best-in-class scan quality. Everyone has a smartphone. It has the greatest camera we could possibly find for a 3D scanner. Phiz generates over 2 million 3D points at an accuracy of 0.2 millimeters. The extremely detailed 3D models then go through our AI algorithm to further improve the quality and eliminate data noise. Phiz not only captures the detailed geometric 3D model, but also color. In Phiz, there's a unique embedded lighting technology. It emits just the right amount of the white light to the object to correct the color offset. In the Phiz app, you can send the scan file to your 3D printer straight from the smartphone. 3D printing has never been so easy thanks to the Phiz app. Phiz app is also the home for 3D models. At this point, you can probably tell Phiz isn't just a 3D scanner. We're building a community where you can share your amazing 3D models with the entire world.
This is Pivo. In tech speak, it's a smart interactive pod for your smartphone photography. In plain English, it's just an awesome turning awesomeness. It's not going to make your life better, but it is going to let you be insanely creative with your photos and videos. Here's how. Pivo can follow you as you move.
We always start with sanding.
With both front and back cameras. So now your video blogs look pro.
Secret for a perfect cake is all in the ingredients. Oh, I forgot the cream.
It can also follow objects like your moonwalking shoes or your sock puppet Sylvester Stalsock. Adrian!
We made a case. Not just any case, this case. A case for you. For the way you live your day. From the moment your alarm goes off to the moment you set it back at night. For the way you organize your life. And for all the apps you can't live without all at once. For the way you get where you're going. And for the conveniences that get you there safely. We made a case. Because multitasking means multiple screens and more room to let you get the job done. Because these days, work comes with you wherever you go. And play shouldn't be left too far behind. Because you don't need a new phone. You need a new way to use one. We made a case to keep you moving and keep you on track to meet all of your goals. To connect with the world around you and share your memories without giving up your privacy.
Have you ever wanted to go out lightly without a smartphone or a Bluetooth headset? Like when you go to work out, but you still want to make a private call or get a message? It's time to make your life easier with Voicage, the world's first smartwatch with built-in Bluetooth headset. The integrated design allows you to carry both a cellular smartwatch and a Bluetooth headset to stay connected whether or not you have your smartphone. Your headset is securely stored on your wrist all the time. The headset is designed to fit comfortably on your ear. Whenever you want to use it, just detach the bezel headset and put it on your ear. That's all. Our designers and manufacturing teams are experts in their fields and have created the newest innovation in smartwatches for you. With ARM Cortex MCU and Qualcomm Bluetooth 5.0 technology, Voicage guarantees you exceptional quality and convenience. Even when you're on the go, your conversation should remain private and not bother other people nearby. Your Bluetooth...
As people increasingly depend on their smartphones to organize their personal lives, it is becoming evident that the traditional computer has been replaced by the smartphone as the main servant of our digital needs. From a simple way to communicate, it became the one device that is every device. Mirazess introduces the MiraBook. The MiraBook is half a laptop and the other half is in your pocket. It's your smartphone. Plug in your phone and unleash its real power. Instead of having a limited interface on a small screen, now you can be productive on a 13-inch display with a keyboard and a mousepad. The mobile first revolution simplifies your life with only one device to secure, store your data, and access internet. With its 24 hours battery and its slim design, you have the perfect combination for mobility on the go. Whether you need to make some research, work on your PowerPoint presentation, or just take notes, the MiraBook is made for desktop users.
How many times per day do we check our phone? We look at our pocket-sized screen 80 times daily, taking up an average of more than 5 hours per day. Research has shown this has a huge impact on our mental health, sleep, and productivity. It's not all bad though. Smartphones have brought huge benefits into our lives. The question we at Unplug therefore asked ourselves is,
how can we help you find a balance between the useful functionality of your smartphone and the distractions it inevitably brings along?
That's how we arrived at our solution, Unplug. It enables you to decide when to transform your Android phone into a distraction-free device.
Unplug works as your home screen. By selecting your Unplug apps, you have the power to decide which apps to show when unplugged. If you now remove the USB key, the custom launcher displays only your Unplug apps and notifications of all other apps will be blocked. This transforms your phone into a useful tool without distractions. Yet, when you plug the Unplug key back in, you will have the functionality of your entire phone back, and previously blocked notifications will be shown.
Unplug helps you to regain control over your smartphone usage, enables you to focus without distraction, and gives you time for the meaningful things in life.
We all know how it feels when someone we're talking to is looking at their phone instead of you. With Unplug, you can now enjoy the conversation without the urge to quickly check what the buzz in your pocket might have been. You'll finally be able to focus on your work, undisturbed by notifications. Now, after a long day of focused work, you feel like you deserve watching some YouTube videos. This time, you make a conscious decision to plug the Unplug key back in.
At Unplug, we believe you should control technology, instead of technology controlling you.
We refined the product through multiple prototypes and did extensive user tests.
Now we need your help to be able to produce the Unplug key. Together, we can fight digital distractions.
Unplug distraction. Plug into life.
Introducing HyperCube,
Wake up, recharged. HyperCube is an award-winning sleep aid, wake-up light, and alarm clock that can wirelessly charge up to 3 Qi-enabled devices. The HyperCube alarm utilizes gradually increasing light and sound for more natural wake-ups. Use the HyperCube app to create a custom light and sound alarm, or select one of the pre-programmed sunrise simulations. HyperCube is engineered to fast charge both Apple and Android devices, so you can charge your new iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch all at the same time. Or your Galaxy S, Galaxy Note, and LG G6. Whatever your preference, the 10-watt wireless charging pad on HyperCube can charge your phone up to 2 times faster than standard wireless chargers. You can also customize HyperCube with modular add-ons. For travelers, the power bank turns HyperCube into the ultimate wireless charging solution. For audiophiles, the Bluetooth speaker base provides an immersive sound experience. And when you leave the house, simply fold up HyperCube and take it with you for convenient wireless charging anywhere. With an adjustable 3-position design, the possibilities are endless. When it's time for bed, use the HyperCube app to tailor-make the bedtime routine of your dreams, so you can fall asleep and stay asleep.